Hello, my beautiful people. What's up? What's up? How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, I'm Polinoside from Kenya, Africa. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So thank you so much. Thank you for always watching my videos. For the new sub, feel at home. Let's enjoy the positive vibe. So in today's video, guys, we were taking a walk at Uhuru Park in Kenya, Nairobi City. The Uhuru Park is situated along Mombasa Road in Nairobi, Kenya. So it's just it's alongside the highway. So I visited it for the first time before they renovate it. So let's go and see how it looks like. And I'm not alone. I went there with my friend, my fellow YouTuber friend, Hilda Wawera. Big shout out to you, girl. You're so nice. Thank you so much. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Enjoy your day, your night, wherever you are watching this video from, and stay blessed. Enjoy the view, guys. This one is Nairobi, Kenya, Uhuru Park. After they did what? It's been long since I was here, because the time I was here, the park was not like this. They have it's look beautiful right now. So enjoy the view, guys. Let's come along with me. Joyce inafaa maintenance. Hati kama upendi picha unapenda ni ni mashoga. Ni za mabati. Hii inaweza kasirika na wewe ikikopea teke unaangukia huko kwa maji.
Pole pole. Mwangalie mtoto Mario. Ako sawa, good. Haya, Mario nifunga mtoto.
Uhuru Park. Inaitwa public whatever, public park, no? Hapa hey. And then it's free. You can bring watoto wako.
Activities ndio unaingia.
But just entering is free. Free of charge. Hii mbona inalia? Kwani imewekewa mizigo mingi? Ile inalilia.
Nini inaitangwa ngamia?
Inalia nini? Kwani imewekewa mizigo mingi? Sasa from here wewe unaenda kupandia gari wapi?
Unaona mali tumeingililia?
Railways. So here Hila is buying ice cream. So we wanna enjoy ice cream. Though the weather was so calm. It was there was what? It was cold. So yes, so we are having here ice cream. So we are done with our ice cream. Now we continue with our vlog. Enjoy guys, hope you are enjoying the view of Uhuru Park.
Si ndio hiyo kitu naenda nayo mbio mbio, unamalizana nayo. Mambo ya polepole ni wewe. Sana. Watu hawarushe nini?
So guys, as you can see at the far end we have our flag there. That is a Kenyan flag. You see people resting, just they don't have, they're not in a hurry, just relaxing here, taking it easy. So guys, we are, the video is ending, the video is over. So thank you so much for watching until this end, and be blessed. Stay tuned, let's connect, and have a blessed day ahead or night. Bye bye guys.